Website security is very important and critical, but I don't have anything important or valuable on my website. Why should I care about security? This is something for big companies, not me. If my website gets hacked, I simply upload my files again and I am fine. Just think about it. Do you agree with such a response? First, how can you know that your website has been hacked? When a hacker hacks a website, he does not make any visible change in the pages. This way, he can steal information for a long time without you noticing. And, re-uploading files does not solve the problem. Hackers hide their code somewhere and it is not easy to find them. Such kind of reply arise from the lack of awareness about the importance of cybersecurity, no matter a single-page website, or a corporate, or a huge online store. Even if you have a web hosting service, with a single web page, you still have many valuable things that most hackers need. A free hosting service, suitable for hosting and distributing malwares, or attacking to another website. An email server, suitable for sending spams. And, you pay for all these, and you let them use it for free. Most of the times, there are lists of emails, people who buy stuff online, maybe credit card information, private information of people that can be used for ransom. Next time when you wanted to say you don't have anything valuable, please think about these first.